Hey guys, welcome out to the range. I literally just finished knocking out a video for you guys regarding shooting flat. That's why I was out here at the target. And I wanted to just do another one really quick. The other day, I want to say it was like, it was Thursday. Thursday of last week, my daughter and I went out and voted early. Today, by the way, is November 2nd. Tomorrow is the general election. And the line was redonkulously long. And I want to let you guys know that yes, the lines are long, but once again, I must remind you that as soon as the polls open, the lines move so stinking fast. And by the time the polls opened, we were in the position we were in, which was really far away from the building. Within 20 minutes, 25 minutes, we were in the building and done. And basically, what I wanted to tell you guys is that there are things that are being said about, standing in line and voter suppression. Guys, it's not voter suppression, it's standing in line. You stand in line for Space Mountain. You stand in line at the grocery store. You stand in line at the DMV. You stand in line at any number of things. You stand in line to take communion at church, okay? Right? Anything worth doing is worth waiting for. Go vote. I was talking to a friend the other day and he was telling me, dude, we got to take back America in this election. And I'm like, okay, because I never assume that my friends are going to be voting the way I vote. And by the way, guys, I have my own opinion of who's going to get voted, in this election, and I'm not going to say it out loud. But I said to my friend, he kept saying, he goes, if America was a car and we were on the edge of a cliff, man, we're on the verge of going over the edge. And I was like, you know what? I haven't wanted to go there, but I'm going to go there. And I went there, and I'm going to do it here in front of the camera. People keep saying America is teetering on the edge of a precipice. And what I'm saying to people is, newsflash, we already went over the edge, and we've already gone down into the ravine, and it's on fire. The only question now is how much of America is going to be recovered? How much of America is going to be brought back up and rehabilitated and brought back to health? Please stop thinking that we are on the edge of a precipice. We already went over. The freedoms that we had were taken away from us a long time ago. If there's anything in our republic that is a right, that is guaranteed you, it is the right to vote. It is the right to speak your mind. And I say to everybody out there that's within my hearing, do not throw that away. Get out and vote. Vote your conscience. Vote not just, when I say conscience, I don't mean your feelings. I mean vote your conscience. I mean vote intelligently. Look at the broader picture. Look at everything that's going on. Guys, I'm going to keep this video as apolitical as I can. But it's very important that as Americans, we get out and vote. It doesn't matter who gets in, who gets voted in. Republican or Democrat, it doesn't matter who gets in. America is in for a wild ride, okay? We are in for, God be with us, God be with us. We are potentially in for a civil war. If we can't get our heads out of our butts and wake up to what's going on, wake up to what's being pushed in our direction, if we can't see it, we're in for a mess. Guys, one more time, I keep hearing people say America is on the edge of a precipice. Forget that. We've already gone over the edge. We're already down in the ravine and we're burning. The only question is, can it be extinguished? Can we be recovered? And how much of America can be rehabilitated back to health? The mess that we're in, if you haven't noticed around you, the mess that we're dealing with is all manufactured. There's a lot of political pushing going on, and fear is the name of the game. Guys and gals, get out and vote. Get out and vote intelligently. Really, guys, there's nothing else to say. God bless you all. God bless America.